Sharp's next-generation color MFPs embody the concept of simply better business. These MFPs focus on 3 major areas of customer satisfaction, with a key message for each area. Simply better process. Sharp's cutting-edge MFPs revolutionize your workflow. As a business owner, you benefit from a more efficient work process. An efficient workflow helps you save time and money. Easy to use and packed with features to boost efficiency, dramatically streamline your business workflow. Simply better admin. For IT managers and administrators, Sharp's new MFPs ensure continuous operation and smooth IT management. Thanks to their smart administration tools, these MFPs fit securely and seamlessly into your office system. Our new and advanced MFPs facilitate user migration while maintaining the integrity of your business. Simply better experience. With our new MFPs, office users get to enjoy numerous advanced and convenient features. Sharp MFPs simplify complex work processes to finish document jobs faster. An advanced Sharp MFP makes your office more flexible and more efficient.